Welcome back to Explore Error. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Microsoft Store if it's not opening on Windows 10. Let's get started. First, restart your computer. This simple step can fix temporary issues that may stop the Microsoft Store from opening. Next, press Windows plus R, type WS Reset, and press Enter. A blank command prompt window will open, and the Microsoft Store cache will reset automatically. Once it's done, the store should open on its own. If that doesn't work, go to Settings, then click on Apps. Find Microsoft Store in the list and click on it. Select Advanced Options, then click Repair. If the issue is still there, click Reset. Don't worry, this won't delete your installed apps. Now, make sure your system is up to date. Go to Settings, then Update and Security, then Windows Update and install any available updates. Microsoft often fixes these issues through updates. If the store still won't open, check your date and time settings. Go to Settings, then Time and Language, and make sure Set Time Automatically is turned on. And that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more simple and useful tips. Thanks for watching.